how to use this application here called Tunein Radio, Music, and Sports. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. You have a lot of radio stations which you can listen to. You can go at the top here to pretty much search for what you want, specifically by location, by language. You can also listen to podcasts as well. So let's say, for example, you want to listen to Apple Music Hits, and if I tap on that option here, I'll be able to listen it right away. So here you also have dark mode. You can like music. Here you can have the ads-free option here, but I'll get into that later. You can also share this with your friends and family. Tap on that here. You can also add the car mode as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the library section is pretty much where we'll see all the downloads or all the podcasts that you have downloaded as well, which you can use, which you can listen offline. So that's pretty much it for that there. If I tap on this icon here, you pretty much can share with your friends and family, as I said before. So down here, you may see a radio section. Here you can go and find a radio station based on location. All you have to do is zoom in and you will see almost all radio stations around the world, not just the United States, pretty much all of these countries. You may see some if you don't zoom in. If you zoom in a bit more, you even see all the radio stations based on location, based on parishes. A lot of radio stations. If you don't see one that you're looking for, you can go ahead and search for it. If you're not seeing anything here, and it should be on this application here. And also have categories as it relates to radio stations, which you can look for as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. In the premium option, this is where you're going to get your premium subscription, and as you can see what we're getting with your premium subscription. So tap on the Go Premium option, will pretty much show the subscription price, monthly subscription price, which is $10 a month, and you get a free trial here as well, which is 7-day free trial. Then you start paying the monthly fee. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.